My name is Ava Foley. I'm fulfilling a student placement here on a PJ Hegarty site. I'm studying environmental management in TU Dublin, Bolton Street. So my job is to assist our senior engineer in obtaining a platinum LEED certification for this site. It was never actually my intention originally to go into construction. I was actually studying something else in college that I really didn't like. I ended up getting really into environmental issues and sustainability issues within the Irish environment, and that got me into the course that I'm currently studying right now. My experience has been really positive so far. I feel like everybody was really accommodating and welcoming when I started. There's none of that cliche oh, the intern does the coffee run. I feel like I was actually valued here as an employee and given really good work to do, really insightful work that's given me a lot of experience and knowledge in the field. So a typical day for me would include some on-site activity and in-office activity. On-site activities could range from anything from inspections or maybe taking some measurements. My in-office activities include maybe going over some EPDs or calculating some VOC emissions or updating our waste tracker and analysing our air quality. I love being on site. I think there's something new every day. You never really know what to expect when you're coming in. I've learned a lot that's applicable to what I'm studying in college, and I've learned things that I've been able to bring to college with me, apply to my assignments and my work. I've also learned a lot about collaboration and teamwork just with other departments across the company. I've also learned a lot about timekeeping and keeping on top of work and being able to manage all the deadlines and meet them appropriately. As a woman in construction, it was definitely a little bit daunting at first. Obviously, it's a very male-dominated field, but everybody at PJ Hegarty was super accommodating, super welcoming. And there's plenty of other women. There's probably more than a lot of people would think, which is really, really great to see. Especially seeing a lot of women in senior roles in PJ Hegarty has been very inspiring for me as someone kind of coming in as a junior. I would say it's a really positive work culture. Everybody is super hard working. Everybody's very helpful as well. If you need any help or questions or guidance with anything, I never feel afraid to ask. I always know that there'll be a helping hand there if I need it. Really make you feel like a valued employee, and they're giving you real work to do, and it's giving you a real taste of what it's like to actually be working in the construction industry as a professional. So I'd say 100% anybody who's thinking of applying for a placement or internship should definitely do it. I think definitely there is a place for women in construction. And we need more women in these roles.